how to fix Brawl Stars crashing, freezing, and not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Brawl Stars. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Brawl Stars application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the Brawl Stars application. You will see the Remove App option, tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again and further go ahead and open App Store and search for Brawl Stars and reinstall the application and open the application further, and your Brawl Star application should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Brawl Stars crashing, freezing, and not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.